Hi, how you doing? You must be doing great. Check out my huge Big Bazaar haul, and I've got great deals on these stuff. Some of these stuff is free, and I want to share it all with you. So keep on watching. Hi, if you're my subscriber, you're just like a diamond to me. Yes, you're that precious to me. And if you haven't subscribed already, be my diamond to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. With that, I want to quickly show you the free things that I got first from Big Bazaar. And I got this Paseo tissues. This pack was for free. Hankies, and this one has something interesting written on it. Save trees, use hankies. So this one was for free. Yeah, this was approximately 69 rupees. And then I got this Complete Care Himalaya. This one also was free toothpaste. And I got this detergent for free. Must be worth something, I don't know, maybe 100 something. And then I got this Haldi packet free, very good for your skin if you apply it on your skin in various packs or routines. So this was also free. And then I got this. I was thinking about buying it many times, but this is I think around 70 rupees, and I got this one also for free. And this is tamarind and date chutney, and I'm going to enjoy it for sure. So this was also free. Then this Hajmola Udle 30 rupees pack. I picked this one, and there were other flavors also, so this was also for free. And then I picked up this tasty treat samosa. There was some spring roll also, but couldn't trace them, so this thing was also for free. So guys, those many things were for free. And then I got this. Yeah, I'm not always buying everything that's in coupons, but this time I did because I wanted to give some things to my mommy and you guys. So I got this for my mommy, this set of cups and saucer, and I got some 200 rupees off on this, and this was approximately 545 rupees, 200 off, and good deal. This is from Borosil company. So this one I got on some offer. God. Then this little thing, this is actually very cute chicken box. And let me show you. Inside of it is also very cute. It has this cap and this spoon, which has got a fork kind of a thing. So this is interesting. So I got that also. And then I got this this thing, WD companies, some 50 rupees off on this. And then I got this NutriChoice Heavens biscuit, and there was some 15 rupees another free item with this one, which I gave to somebody I know. So that was a good deal. 20 rupees off. I got some I think I got some 80 rupees off on this, and the smell of this one is really nice. Last time I bought Lysol, but this time I'm going to from now on I'm going to buy this. This is very nice smelling phenyl from Clean Mate. Yeah, and you guys remember this? I bought it in my last haul, and this time it cost me just 80 rupees. Last time it had cost me 125, so I got some coupons for that. And then I bought a towel again, and on this also I got some 30 rupees off, maybe something like that. And then I got these Milton tiffin box, and on this also it was 100 rupees off, and it's like very cute. I might put it in the giveaway. So there are 3 containers, and insulated container for drinks that we might want to have, and very beautiful carry bag. So for 200 rupees this was very beautiful. And then some food grade plastic containers. It has also got 100% BPA free written on it. So you guys know food grade plastic is good for you. So I got that, and this is something I'm really happy about because I had to buy it and I got it. It was like 40 rupees off on MRP. It was 210, so 40 rupees off. And then I got some things on MRP. This one I bought, maybe putting in giveaway, 75 rupees, and this I like this green tea a lot by Eco Valley, Sunny Lemony, very tasty. So if you find this, do try it out. And some of this on MRP. And guys, this also is on MRP, but this is such a beautiful scarf. Amazing scarf. It's got so many paintings on it. This has got all Spanish, you know, bullfight and dance. That kind of paintings are there on this scarf. So I got this stole for myself. I really loved it. Couldn't resist buying it. I shouldn't have bought it. It was just you know, some urge that you get that you have to get it, so I got it. And then yeah, another towel. I got 50 rupees off on this by the coupons I used, and some 50 rupees off on this bag also. Cute bag, right? Yeah, shopping bag. Some 50 rupees off on that also. So with that, I'm coming to the last objects, that are these cushion covers. There was no coupon on it, but there was some deal. So I got this one, which says Venice, very pretty. Then I have got this one, which says London. And then I got this one, which is saying New York on it. Very nice. And then if you remember from my last haul, I got some like these. So this one also. That's it. So guys, did you like the haul? If you did, do tell me in the comment section below. And I just want to tell you that if you are there and you are getting these coupons, you have to be actually there from 1 to 9th of the month, the first 1 to 9th of the month, and then you will be getting these coupons on a purchase of 2,500 rupees. And do remember to redeem the free stuff as soon as you can, because I went to the store twice, thrice to get those free things because they were finished or you know, out of stock or things like that. So do grab the free stuff for sure. And if you want to grab some of the offers that they are giving, then you can do that. So this was very enjoyable because I was purchasing for myself and people I love in my life. So you be that person in my life and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon next time. And my blessings, and have a happy healthy life. This thing did make me happy doing this all. So take care, have a nice day. Love you all, bye.